Hello, I am Dr. Ashit Shah. Welcome to my website. Arthritis of the knee is a common condition world over. Crippling arthritis of the knee can be disabling. It affects the physical and mental health of a person and social well-being. In recent times, it is possible to treat this arthritis successfully. In early cases of arthritis, medical treatment, physiotherapy, and exercises can help. In late cases of arthritis, knee replacement surgery becomes necessary. The improvement in the surgical techniques, the knee implant designs and materials have shown great results in millions of patients world over who have undergone this surgery. I am exclusively treating knee arthritis patients since 2002. With the experience I have gained, I am sure you can benefit. So, if you are looking for help due to knee arthritis, this is the correct website for you. Thank you.